To quote Roy T. Bennett, it's only after you step outside your comfort zone that you begin to change, grow, and transform. This isn't just any old quote. This quote rings true for most, and most certainly myself. On April 29th of 2022, I uploaded my first YouTube video. And it was bad. Not just the video itself, but I mean, look at me. The hair, the gross mustache coming in, the lighting, just terrible. Electronics Toolkit, I'm really thankful for it. As you heard before, I've been stuck with an older phone with 16 gigabytes. YouTube was a way to escape the chaos of the pandemic. Lockdown had already been 2 months straight, and I was bored. I was 14 at the time. I had a 2010 27-inch iMac, an iPhone 6, and a mic from the headphones that came in the box with my iPhone. I just hit record, and away I went. Okay. Bear with me while I set up my mic. Just put that there. Mic. This probably sounds really weird on the mic. And we tape it to the mirror. Okay, well, welcome back to another video. Am I centered in this couch? I learned how to get better audio, how to frame a shot, and how to make the most of what I had. I didn't have a job at the time, so I didn't have money to spend on camera equipment. Looking back at it, that was probably the best thing for my creative learning process. It forced me to get the best out of what little I had. If you ask any longtime filmmaker, they'll say it's not about what you have, but how you use it. Eventually, in 2021, I bought my first dedicated camera, the Canon EOS M50. I've shot over 20,000 photos and over 100 hours of video on the M50, just in the last 8 months. The Canon M50 was one of the best purchases I ever made for my filmmaking and photography journey. It's given me opportunities that I wouldn't have been able to get into without a dedicated camera body. As much fun as I've had on this YouTube journey, it's time to move to the next chapter of life. This doesn't mean I'll be leaving YouTube or stopping my filmmaking craft. In fact, quite the opposite. I'm pursuing YouTube and photography as a potential career. I'm making it a goal to upload a minimum of 2 videos a month and post on Instagram at least every other day. This will be a lot of work on my end. I posted regularly in the beginning of the channel, but fell off after a while. I got lazy and kept putting off filming anything. I don't want that to hinder my passion anymore. I've started eClick Media as a photography business, but also a media presence online. In a world of social media, an online presence is just as important as a business itself. To stay on top of things and to put oneself out there, social media is one of the greatest tools we have at the moment, and I intend to use it. I want to say thank you. Thank you for returning after long gaps between videos and sticking around even though the videos weren't very good in the beginning. Now this goodbye doesn't mean I'm completely disappearing. I'll still be on YouTube and Instagram like before, but under a new name. As for an outro, this is it. This is goodbye. But it's also hello. It's the next chapter in my journey, and I hope to see you in it.